Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Final Fantasy Tactics, the Ivalice Chronicles game crashing at a startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing, not loading or stuck on loading screen or black screen problem on PS5. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to restart your PS5. Press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and turn on your PlayStation and then check problem fixed or not. Fix 2 is to log out and log in. Log out from your PlayStation network account. Go to settings, users and accounts, others sign out. Wait for a few minutes and then log in back. And then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then if you have any other secondary account, then log in with that and check if that works or not. Fix 3 is to switch internet connection. First of all, use Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5 console and then check. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can connect to other Wi-Fi network and check. Or you can also restart your modem or Wi-Fi router to reset your internet connection and then check. Fix 4 is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. Go to PS5 settings network, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and see which one work for you. Fix 5 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall socket. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into the safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS5 button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database, OK. Launch Final Fantasy Tactics, the Ivalice Chronicles game and check if the problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts. Scroll down and go to other and go to restore license. Select Final Fantasy Tactics, the Ivalice Chronicle game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, check problem solved or not. Fix 7 is to disable enable HDCP. Go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab. Turn off enable HDCP and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then check. Fix 8 is to delete game data and cache. Please make sure to backup the saved data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. So now go to settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and navigate to console storage, delete. Select Final Fantasy Tactics, the Ivalice Chronicles game, then select delete, OK. Now restart your console and then launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to change DNS settings manually. So go to PlayStation settings, network settings, set up internet connections. On your internet, press start, advanced settings, DNS settings. Now change the DNS settings from automatic to manual. In primary DNS, enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS type 8.8.4.4 and hit OK. Now launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then hit OK. Now launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. And the last solution is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. If you are using an SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Final Fantasy Tactics, the Ivalice Chronicles game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you were able to solve the Final Fantasy Tactics, the Ivalice Chronicle games crashing at a startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen issue, or black screen problem on PS5 console. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.